Hello, dear juniors. I hope you are doing good and safe at home. So, I'm here today to give you an overview about IIHM Pune and give you a brief idea about how the surrounding is, how are the faculties, and how everything works at IIHM Pune. And also, I hope you would be enjoying the whole video and I may say is enjoy the best 3 years of IIHM, as it is said IIHM best 3 years. So here we go.
Hello everyone, this is Sumukh Gadvi from IIHM Pune, and today I am going to give you an overview about the IIHM Pune and how the journey of students of IIHM Pune has been in this 1 year once they are in year 2. So let's go. So Ranjit, tell me, how are the faculties of IIHM Pune?
Well, I think those are the marvelous faculties I've ever got in my life. Whether those are like really very best people. Whenever I was wrong, I never felt like corrected. I felt like I was always guided to whatever I do, and it is really a great experience.
Faculties of IIHM Pune are so amazing. Like, they're always ready to help all the students. And one thing which I like about the faculties are they will never do partiality among students. They will always treat all of us very equally, and they're always ready to clear our doubt, and they always help us to develop our skills by guiding us.
Hey Ram, so may I know how are the surrounding of IIHM Pune is?
IIHM Pune is surrounded in a very better place. There are some IT areas in front of the college, actually, and there are Phoenix Mall is just behind the college. So in Phoenix Mall there are so many outlets, good outlets. I mean, they are better, much better. So we can know and we can learn how they work. There are FN.
So Vaishnavi, what have you learned in this 1 year after joining IIHM Pune?
So basically, each day is a learning day. When we came in a hotel industry, we सिर्फ खाना बनाना तो होता है, उसके अलावा कुछ होता नहीं है, ऐसा सबका कहना था. बट वी नो ना कि उसमें अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं, सब डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं, FNB हो गया, FP हो गया, बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं. सो एंड होटल मैनेजमेंट इज अ फील्ड लाइक वो प्रैक्टिकल फील्ड है, वो जो डिपेंड होती है प्रैक्टिकल के ऊपर डिपेंड होती है. तो घर वाले बोल रहे थे कि क्या आचार्य बनना है तेरे को, मतलब हाँ वही समझ लो. बट जैसे मैं आई, मैंने उनको बताया कि ये नहीं, ऐसा होता है, इसमें बहुत सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं. वो आए, उन्होंने कैंपस देखा, उनको भी पसंद आया. चलो तूने जो डिसीजन लिया वो सही लिया. तो IIHM से ये सीखा कि कभी भी कोई सिचुएशन में पैनिक नहीं होना चाहिए. जो सिचुएशन है उसमें स्टेबल रहेगा, स्टेबलाइजेशन से वो सिचुएशन सॉल्व करनी. गीता मैम हो गए, खुराना सर हो गए, वो एकदम प्रोफेशनलिज्म में रहते हैं ना, फुल प्रोफेशन. होटल मैनेजमेंट, वो डायरेक्टर है, तो उनके सिर्फ ड्रेसिंग सेंस से या उनके चलने के तरीके से पता चलता है कि नहीं वो डायरेक्टर है, एक अच्छी पोजीशन पे है. तो बस वही प्रोफेशनलिज्म सीखने.
So Ritvik, the practical classes that has happened of accommodation operation, under which we have been taught about the bed making or usage of chemicals. So do you think that it is going to really help us to understand the scenario of hospitality?
Yeah, totally. I feel that practical knowledge is really important to carry out theoretical knowledge that you have. And also right method is very important to carry out a task, and this is what IIHM teaches you. We have been taught bed making and other sorts of practical classes that have happened would really help us in achieving and maintaining the great hospitality standards of excellence at the hotel.
So Karan, the degrees that we are getting in IIHM, that is YCMOU, IGNOU and UWL, do you think that really matters and places an important certificates in our life?
Yes, exactly. It plays an important role in our lives as we are getting YCMU, IGNOU. It helps us to get a job in 50 countries, which is basically connected with IIHM. And the degree which we get, UWL, is international degree. And in today's world, in hospitality, international degree plays a very
So Roshan, how do you feel about when you were the part of YCO? What were the memories of YCO?
As actually it was really a good and excited experience for me, as YCU is the biggest culinary event of IIHM, and it has given me an opportunity to talk with those celebrity chefs which I had dreamed to talk with them. And in YCO I was in team of digital marketing. It was a really good experience for me. We have clicked many photos and of YCO, how the things were going, how the food production line was going, how the service line was going, and we have captured each and every moment of the YCO and we have posted it, and it was really fun and it was best experience for my career too.
So Muskan, when you were already been graduated, why did you choose the
Yes.
hospitality or specifically IIHM?
I think it's never too be late. While I was doing my graduation in BCom Commerce, so I didn't thought I was that much interested in that like I want to do the graduation or I want to do MBA or something like that. I was into cooking, so I just searched for the best school in the world. So I just got to know about IIHM. They give the exposure internationally and domestically. They give degrees of UWL and so domestically as well. They send students for the foreign internships and domestic internships. So without giving any second thought, I just took admission in IIHM Pune.
So Amel, tell me, how do you feel when you have came to know that IIHM has been tied up with international as well as national brands?
It's a firstly when I heard about it, I was like, whoa, it's a big thing for us, because even we'll get the opportunity to interact with the international level and the national brands, and that too during our bachelor degrees, which usually should happen when we complete our course and masters and everything, and then we have to search by ourselves. But now that IIHM is directly offering this to us, it's a very good opportunity.
Hi Ganesh.
Hello, Sumak.
So I would like to ask you is, why did you choose IIHM Pune campus? Like, why not IIHM Bangalore or why not IIHM Hyderabad? Why just IIHM Pune?
Like it's all if I ask myself like why I choose IIHM, like IIHM Pune is situated in one of the most beautiful city. Like Pune has many stories, and it would be like personally I have my relative in that city. Like personally about IIHM Pune, it has the great connections in IIHM, and it's about like it has many 5-star hotels, and as well as it has the best faculty about all the IIHM. If you compare, it has the best faculty.
So Nidhi, apart from the 4 subjects, do you feel that the subjects like marketing or business communication has really helped you?
Yes, certainly, because the 4 core subjects, of course, we are taught and they are very important. But if we don't know how to communicate properly or how to present ourselves properly, like we are taught in business communication, we can't really apply all of the knowledge that we have retained, because if we don't get selected for interviews for which business communication helps us, it really is no use of having that much knowledge if we can't present ourselves. And as far as marketing goes, there will come a time when we are asked to market something, or for that example, even market ourselves to potential employers. So marketing and business communication, for these subjects help us a lot.
So Sneha, how do you feel about the efforts that are taken by IIHM Pune by conducting online classes in this pandemic?
Online learning was a whole new concept for all of us, but still IIHM Pune has took some very good initiative and effort so that they can reach out every student. At first, we all used to feel that online lectures are so boring, but the faculty has made online lectures so interesting that we personally feel to attend all the lectures.
So Ishika, how is the surrounding of IIHM Pune campus?
It is so friendly. I must tell you that once you go there and be habitual to it, then I swear you can't leave all those places. There's a ton of memories, and you know, I'm already missing that places, like especially the Phoenix Mall. This is the it means being this particular place where all the students, all the not the faculties, but at least the people who just hang out in the malls and everything, because there are theaters and all, you know. So Phoenix is the place where you'll find any of the student of IHM at any time. I'm 100% sure at least 50% of the students will be fine in Sambar, eating idli and all the South Indian stuff over there. And up south and Cafe New Delhi, you can say, for the North Indians who are just fed up by eating all those South Indian food, they'll just go there and have some chole bhature and all these things. Like, food is so awesome and pocket friendly also.
You too can experience real-time training at India's top hotels and make a great career in the hospitality. IIHM, International Institute of Hotel Management, one of the best connected and India's top hospitality education institute. IIHM.